Water that is safe to drink is critical to our health and well-being. Tap water, on the other hand, may contain harmful contaminants like lead, bacteria, and chlorine. That is why you should invest in a filtration system to ensure the purity of your drinking water. In this article, we'll look at the various types of water filters on the market and how to pick the best one for your needs. Filtered water bottles. Filtered water bottles are an excellent choice for those who are constantly on the go or who enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking or camping. Look for a filtered water bottle with a sturdy design that can withstand rough outdoor use. It is also critical to select a bottle with a filter that effectively removes contaminants and is simple to replace when necessary. Drinking water filters. There are several types of drinking water filters, including activated carbon, ceramic, and sediment filters. Consider the quality of your tap water as well as the specific contaminants you want to remove when choosing a drinking water filter. For example, if your tap water contains high levels of chlorine, it's best to use a chlorine-removing filter. Reverse osmosis systems are effective at removing minerals, heavy metals, and dissolved solids from tap water. These systems, however, can be costly and require professional installation. It is critical to select a reverse osmosis system with a high-quality membrane capable of effectively removing contaminants and having a long lifespan. Water filtration systems. To remove a wide range of contaminants from tap water, water filtration systems typically use multiple stages of filtration. Consider the quality of your tap water, your budget, and the size of your household when selecting a water filtration system. It is critical to select a system with easy-to-replace filters that have a long lifespan. Water purifiers use advanced technology to remove contaminants as well as bacteria and viruses from tap water. Look for water purifiers that have been certified by organizations such as NSF International or the Water Quality Association. It is also critical to select a purifier that has a high-quality UV lamp or chemical treatment system. Alkaline water filters. These filters raise the pH of tap water, making it less acidic. When selecting an alkaline water filter, look for one that uses natural materials to raise the pH level, such as coral or tourmaline. It is also critical to select a filter that has a long lifespan and is simple to install. Fluoride removal filters. Fluoride removal filters are specifically designed to remove fluoride from drinking water. Look for fluoride removal filters that use activated alumina or bone char to effectively remove fluoride. It is also critical to select a filter that does not significantly reduce the flow rate of your tap water. Water cooler dispensers. For offices or homes, water cooler dispensers are a convenient option. Consider the size of your household and the frequency of use when selecting a water cooler dispenser. It is critical to select a dispenser with a sufficient reservoir and a dependable heating and cooling system. Types of water cooler dispensers. There are typically two types of water coolers, bottle-fed and bottleless. Bottle-fed coolers use large plastic bottles that can be refilled or replaced when empty. Bottleless coolers, on the other hand, are directly connected to a water source and filter the water as it passes through the dispenser. Maintenance and cleaning. To ensure proper hygiene, it's important to regularly clean and maintain your water cooler dispenser. This involves cleaning the dispenser's reservoir and sanitizing the components that come into contact with the water. Portable water filters. Because they are small and lightweight, portable water filters are ideal for travel or outdoor activities. Consider the type of filter used and the ease of replacement when selecting a portable water filter. It is also critical to select a filter with a high flow rate to ensure immediate access to clean drinking water. Portable water filters typically use one or more filtration methods to remove impurities from water. Some common types of filters include activated carbon, ceramic, and hollow fiber membranes. Each type of filter has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to select the right type of filter for your needs. Countertop water filters are designed to sit on your kitchen counter and connect directly to your faucet. Consider the amount of counter space available as well as the quality of your tap water when selecting a countertop water filter. To ensure a consistent supply of clean drinking water, choose a filter with a long lifespan and a high flow rate. Finally, the best filtration system for your drinking water is determined by your specific needs and preferences. There are numerous options on the market, whether you prefer a portable water bottle or a countertop filter. You can ensure that your drinking water is clean and safe to drink by investing in a high-quality filtration system.